Well, Falcker is basically 2 or 3 things. We make software. We also create algorithms to recognize anomalies in pictures. We also provide services, drone inspection, and then when we need specialists, we have a lot of partners that can help us with that. So this is basically our strategy. Think big, start small, and then scale fast.
I'm going to the mission bank and selecting the tank for inspection. That's the mission we're going to do. I'm going to press launch the mission. So what happens right now is the drone receiving his mission from the cloud management software. Okay, system is ready. I'm going to press takeoff.
The operator hits the start button and the drone takes off, performs its inspection mission and lands in its docking without a pilot. Falcker believes this is the next step in achieving scalability of drone-based industrial inspection. You have less dependency on a certified pilot. The inspection planning is no longer stressed by weather conditions, and the drone robot becomes terminal equipment and is operated from the control room of the terminal. The technology is here today. New European drone regulations should be implemented in the summer of 2020 and allows for further exploration of this scenario. Together with the industry, the aviation authorities and the harbour of Rotterdam, Falcker and Percepto agreed to make this possible for 2020.